Let me show you guys how to curl your hairs at home. I know I promised you guys I was going to film a video on how to stretch hairs. Don't worry, that is coming pretty soon. The first thing you'll be needing is your canvas head and your tripod stand. This is what the tripod stand looks like. If you don't have a canvas head, I don't know what to tell you, but you need a canvas head. You need T-pins, combs, your leave-in conditioner, and your serum. That's the brand I use. You need your holding spray. I have two types, which is what I'm showing you guys. Any of them is fine. You need your oil sheen spray and your heat protectant spray. This is the brand I also use. You need your wax stick, your iron clips, your rubber clips to help you hold the hair in place, your hot comb, and your curler. Yes, you can see the scar on my hand, right? Yes, that too cost it, but what we do for money. So the first thing you're going to do is to wear your wig on the canvas head. If you do not have a canvas head, I guess you can use your friend or your younger sister's head. But to be safe, you need a canvas head. So I'm going to use the T-pins to like pin the hair on the canvas head to keep it in place while I'm styling the hair so it doesn't move when I'm styling the hair. Sorry. Next, I'm going to use my wax stick to apply on the closure part of the hair. For some reason, I just like to first of all hot comb my closure before I go ahead to start styling. I just like to start with a clean base, honestly. So once I'm done with hot combing the hair, I'm going to go ahead and mix my leave-in conditioner and my serum to apply on the hair. You see this conditioner, it's called the Hawaiian Silky. I highly recommend. It's one of the best out there. It's good for both your straight hairs, your curly hairs, and your wavy hairs. Okay, can you see how the moment I applied it, the waves came out? Can you see? It is really good, and I swear by this product. So I'm going to apply it, and then I'm going to go ahead and apply a little bit more. Don't apply too much on your hairs, especially if you just revamped your hair. You don't need too much product. So this hair is really full and long, so that's why I'm going in twice to like apply more to so it will get to all parts of the hair. After sectioning the hair, I'm going to use my heat protectant spray on the first part of the hair I'm going to be styling, and then I'm going to divide it into two and go ahead and start curling. So I curl inwards. I don't know, different people have different ways of curling their hair. So you're basically just wrapping the hair around the curling wand and leaving it on for like 5 to 10 seconds. We'll make sure it's hot before you release the hair. Get. So after that, I'm going to use my iron clips to like clip it up to stay in that position until it gets cold. So I forgot to apply my holding spray before curling because I normally do that before curling. So I had to like spray it after I was done curling. So you're going to see me spray the holding spray before I curl the hair. I think it works better that way for me. I don't know. So yeah, I'm just going to repeat the same process, curling the hair round the curling ones, holding it on for 5 to 10 seconds and then releasing it. Yes, I had to just forward it because guys, I'm struggling with space on my phone at the moment. So yeah, that's why it took me so long to film a video. So up next, I am going to just go ahead and section the hair again. So the first row I do is 2, while the second row is 3, and then I move upward from then. Okay, and that this hair was very full, so I just had to cut it into like two rows and do the curling. I don't know if you understand what I'm saying, but yeah, I think I'm rambling at this point. So it's just an easy process. You just have to really be careful, if not you're going to burn yourself. I did that the week before I filmed this video. You can see the nasty scar on my hand. It's not pleasant. So yes, it's very very hot. I'm not even going to lie, but you're just going to you'll get used to it in the long run. So yeah, that is basically. I forgot to add, you have to comb your hair with the little comb, that's the rat tail comb, before you go ahead and curl it. Because if you don't detangle your hair very well, your curls won't come out really neat. I don't know if you understand. So I'm just going to skip to the ending part. I don't want this video to be too long, okay? When I get to the closure part, I'm still going to go ahead and apply a little bit of wax stick. You don't need to apply too much. Just a little goes a long way. I'm going to hot comb it again to make it nice and flat, and then I'm going to go ahead and curl it again. So when I'm curling on the left hand side, I curl inward. I don't know if you can see the movement of the curler. And then if I'm curling on the right side, I'm going to curl backwards. Please just look at it. Let me not distract you with my voice. So I like to curl away from the face. Do you get? Yes, I like to curl away from the face. So this method is inward method. I don't know, guys. I don't know what I'm saying at this point, but I can see what I'm doing. So yeah, sorry, I'm really bad at explaining. You know. So yeah, I hope I did not confuse you there, guys. So after I'm done curling, I'm going to gently start removing the iron clips. Make sure you allow this cool down. You can even leave it till the next day. It depends on when you need the hair. I left mine for a few hours before I was able to like unravel the cord and send it back to my client. So you're going to gently remove the iron clips. If you want, you can always use your white tooth comb to comb it out if you want the wavy look. But if you do not want to unravel the cord just yet and you want to wear it like this, you can just leave it like this. I was sending this out to my client and she didn't want me to unravel the cords, so I did not comb it. I only used the hot comb to like just flatten the closure part, and then I use my oil sheen to spray it to add a little shine to it, just a little bit. Okay, do not overspray your hair. If not, you're just going to put too much oil on your hair. So this is what the hair looks like. Let me know if you learned a thing or two. If you did not, I have a detailed tutorial on my YouTube that I posted years back. You should watch it. I'll leave the handle on the screen. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in my next video. Bye.